Your DJI Osmo Pocket might be recording smoothly, but if you don't know where to find your recorded files, you can't review or share them. Many users get stuck here, not realizing it's easy to access. In this video, I'll show you how to access your recorded files on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1. So let's check it out right now. Method 1. On the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. First turn on your camera, then swipe right from the left edge of the screen. This will bring up the Playback menu. Here your screen will show the most recent recorded video or photo. So, to see other files, just swipe up or down on the screen. To see a grid view of all your files, just tap the 4 square icon in the top left corner. Now tap and play a video you want to watch. If you want to delete files, tap the 3 dot icon from the left side. Then tap the trash icon. Then tap delete. You can also select multiple files for deletion. Back to the grid view. Method 2. Using the DJI Mimo app on your smartphone. First, make sure your DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is powered on, and that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone. Then open up the DJI Mimo app and follow the on-screen prompts to connect to your device. After that, tap the album option from the bottom of the screen. Here you can find your files on your phone. Tap on the file to preview it. Then tap the download icon to transfer it to your phone's local storage. And that's all. This is how you can access your recorded files on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.